northern Washington County in southeastern Michigan until 3:45 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gregory or near Pinckney, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pinckney around 2:45 p.m. Whitmore Lake around 3 p.m. Cambridge around 3:05 p.m. Ann Arbor around 3:15 p.m. Vicksburg around 3:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Plainfield, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Island Lake State Recreation Area, Delhi Mills, Martin Hills, Pinckney State Recreation Area, Hudson Mills, Parker's Corners, Lakeland, and Linden Township. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Livingston, and Washtenaw. Here is the fourth lows in the upper 60s. With winds up to 5 miles per hour, becoming northeast. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, partly cloudy over Gregory or near Pinckney, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Environnement Canada est une alerte de recorriger à 14h56 heure avancée au nord. Le 28 juillet 2025, une veille d'orage violent est en vigueur sur le côté des Suisses.
Southwestern Wayne County in southeastern Michigan until 3:45 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Romulus and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Romulus and Belleville around 3:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include New Boston, Wayne, Willow, and Westland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county, Wayne, Michigan. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Heat advisory in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Rest of today, numerous showers and thunderstorms. Near steady temperature in the upper 80s. Heat index ratings lowering into the mid-90s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening and clear. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the upper 60s. West winds up to 5 miles per hour, becoming northeast. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs around 90. East winds around 5 miles per hour after. The National Weather Service Inventory Audience has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Wayne County in southeastern Michigan until 6:30 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Taylor, Romulus, Westland, and Wayne. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Wayne, Michigan. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Keep advisory in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Rest of today, numerous showers and thunderstorms. Near steady temperature in the upper 80s. Heat index ratings lowering into the mid-90s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening and clearing. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the upper 60s. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for southwestern Wayne County. At 3:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Romulus and is nearly stationary. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expects damage to roofs on site and trees. These severe storms will be near South Line in the next days on around 3:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by severe thunderstorms include Martin Hills, Island Lake Recreation Area, and Billy Mills. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: Livingston and Washington. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Heat advisory in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Rest of today, numerous showers and thunderstorms. Near steady temperature in the upper 80s. Heat index ratings lowering into the mid-90s. Southwest wind and clearing. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the upper 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Environ Canada et nous, il m'a l'air dans notre région à 15h25, heure avancée Québec, du 28 juillet 2025. Un avertissement des vents et plusieurs pour la Québec.
Northeast wind. Detroit River, Michigan waters of Lake Erie from Detroit River to North Cape, Michigan, until 6 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elizabeth Park Marina to 10 nautical miles northwest of Monroe Harbor to 17 nautical miles northwest of Lapeer, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Lake Erie Metro Park Harbor, Elizabeth Park Marina, Detroit River Light, Grosse Ile, Wyandotte, and Gibraltar around 4 p.m. Estill reach around 4:05 p.m. Woodland reach around 4:20 p.m. Stony Point and Detroit reach around 4:25 p.m. Monroe Harbor around 4:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by strong thunderstorms include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Gibraltar, Estill Beach, and Detroit Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the forecast. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a flash flood warning for southern Macomb County and southeastern Michigan until 7:15 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Warren, St. Clair Shores, Mount Clemens, Sterling Heights, Clinton, Roseville, Fraser, Utica, and Clinton Township. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Macomb, Michigan. The Lake St. Clair forecast. Tonight, south winds 5 to 10 knots backing to the northeast after midnight. Partly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then clear after midnight. Waves 2 feet or less. Tuesday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots veering to the east late in the afternoon. Mostly sunny. Waves 2 feet or less. Tuesday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots backing to the north after midnight. Partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 2 feet or less. Wednesday, north winds 5 to 10 knots increasing to 10 to 15 knots early in the afternoon. Partly sunny. A chance of Friday night, clear.
Safety alert. Safety alert.
Saturday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Saturday night, clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Then clearing. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the upper 60s. West winds up to 5 miles per hour, becoming northeast. Rain 30%. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs around 90. East winds around 5 miles per hour. And now the forecast for the hour and between the 70s. Keeping 5:30 in effect until 5 p.m. this evening. Western today, numerous showers and thunderstorms. Near steady temperature in the upper 80s. Heat index ratings lowering into the mid-90s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening and clear. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 30s. Southwest winds up to 5 miles per hour, becoming northeast. Chance of rain 30%. Train across the Warren area and numerous flooded roads. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain may fall. Expected to fall to 75 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour to 30 minutes. Flash flooding is on the west early in the day shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, law enforcement. Flash flooding in small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations include flash flooding in Warren, St. Clair Shores, Mount Clemens, Sterling Heights, Roseville, Fraser, Utica, and Clinton Township. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. A flash flood warning will be in effect until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Macomb, Michigan. Weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain has fallen on numerous roads north of the mountain of Houston. Additionally, all about up to 4.5 inches are possible in the Warren area.
At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Monday, July 28, 2025. Environment Canada has issued an alert for your region. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Roseville et Connecticut County. Environnement Canada émet une alerte dans votre région. À 17h, heure à monter de l'Est. Le lundi 28 juillet 2025. Une alerte orage violente est supérieure pour 8 de micro-défi.
Thunderstorm was located over St. Clair Shores, moving southeast at in the evening and clearing. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the upper 60s. West winds up to 5 miles per hour, becoming northeast. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs around 90. East winds around 5 miles per hour. And now the forecast for the upper Detroit vicinities. Keep advisory in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. West of today, numerous showers and thunderstorms. Near steady temperature in the upper 80s. Heat index ratings lowering into the mid-90s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening and clearing. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds up to 5 miles per hour, becoming northeast. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 90s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming southeast in the afternoon. Also, the forecast for Lenawee and Monroe counties. Heat advisory in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. West of today, numerous showers and thunderstorms. Near steady temperatures in the mid-80s. Heat index ratings lowering into the mid-90s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Northeast winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. And now the forecast for the area in Detroit, Detroit. West of today, partly cloudy late in the morning.
Ceci est le système de sondage obligatoire pour un 004 je répète. Ceci est le système de sondage obligatoire pour un 004
Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%.
Environnement Canada et nous, madame, c'est dans votre région. À 15h21, heure avancée des Verts. Le mercredi 30 juillet 2025. Une alerte orage violent est en vigueur pour les services de compétition.
Brief pause. The next round of rain is now approaching. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Haverhill, Romulus, Dearborn Road, Southgate, and Alabama. Taking one home of flash flood www.weather.com/. Floods around only when encountering flooded roads. Most flood is currently crossed. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request access this water to the National Weather Service when more than do so safely. The following is an important message for the following counties. Watch the rain. Once flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where portion of southeast Michigan, including the following counties, watch northern rain. When until 8:45 p.m. Impacts minor flooding in lower and or drainage areas. East winds 5 to 15. Watch northern rain. The National Weather Service in Detroit, August has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Washington County in southeastern Michigan, West Central Wayne County in southeastern Michigan until 9:30 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., train weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, trading spotters south of Ypsilanti reported 2.50 inches in 1 hour. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Livonia, Romulus, Ypsilanti, Kenton, Dearborn, Belleville, Willis, Westland, Dearborn Heights, Garden City, Inkster, Wayne, Riverker, and Pittsfield Township. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Washington and Wayne. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all answers. Station KC 63 in Southfield. The station broadcasts from the National Weather Service in White Lake at a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Early this evening, mostly cloudy with potential showers and thunderstorms. Northeast winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Tonight, showers likely and a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then showers likely. Lows in the lower 60s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request that transfers information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: Washington and Wayne. The following is an important message for the following counties in Michigan: Washington and Wayne. Watching flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where a portion of southeast Michigan, including the following counties: Washington and Wayne. When after 8:45 p.m. Impacts on overflowing lower and poor drainage areas. Water over roadways. Overflowing poor drainage areas. Additional details at 5:47 p.m. The radar automated rain gauges indicate heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Like effect, this ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Strenuous outdoor activities, especially those with heart disease and respiratory diseases like asthma. Monitor for symptoms such as wheezing, coughing, chest tightness, dizziness, or runny nose, throat, and headaches. Reduce your Washington and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Audiac, has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, northeastern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan, northwestern Wayne County in southeastern Michigan until 11:15 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches per hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Livonia, Southfield, Novi, Canton, Northville, Salem, Westland, Farmington Hills, Farmington, Plymouth, and Redford. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Oakland, Washington, and Wayne. This is no weather radio, all hazards. Station KEAS 63 in Southfield. The station broadcasts from the National Weather Service in White Lake at a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Early this evening, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Northeast winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Tonight, showers likely and a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then showers likely. Lows in the lower 60s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70. www.weather.gov/safety/. Slow turn around. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. The actual forecast for the Michigan waters are left eerie. Small clouds advisory in effect for late Thursday night. Tonight, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots, gusting to 25 knots. Showers and a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet early in the morning. Thursday, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Becoming partly cloudy early in the afternoon. Showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms until late afternoon. Then a chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms early in the afternoon. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Thursday night, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Mostly clear. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Friday, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots through Thursday. As the smoke moves in, PM 2.5 concentrations in the unhealthy to sensitive group C-West rainforest and south, while concentrations of PM 2.5 in the unhealthy range are more likely across northern areas. It is recommended that, when possible, you avoid strenuous outdoor activities, especially those with heart disease and respiratory diseases like asthma. Monitor for symptoms such as wheezing, coughing, chest tightness, dizziness, or burning nose, throat, and eyes. Reduce or eliminate activities that contribute to air pollution, such as alcohol burning, use of residential wood burning devices. In some households, keep windows closed overnight to prevent smoke from getting in doors and, if possible, run central air conditioning with MERV 13 or higher-rated filters. For further information, please see the Sound Air Abstract for up-to-date air quality data. https://www.air.gov/. For further health information, please see MDHHS wildfire smoke at your health site. https://www.michigan.gov/MDHHS/safety-injury-environmental health your health in the wildfire smoke. This is no weather radio, all hazards. Station KEAS 63 in Southfield. The station broadcasts from the National Weather Service in White Lake at a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Early this evening, mostly cloudy with the chance of additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warm area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, emergency services or law enforcement and request to pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning remains in effect until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, although lots nothing late. The following is an important message.